Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to ASUS ROG Phone 5S. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then just open. From this screen, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you can finally select Send on Xiaomi and Receive on ASUS. Then tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with only... sorry, misclick. Only this one photo, just send and tap on Get It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can type in this key over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on ASUS, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we will need to wait just a bit. And as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!